Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Jacob, and we are going to go make a quick walk. Had a ton of spring rain, a ton of spring melt off. We're going to take a quick walk down the path and look at some gorgeous falls. Pretty loud here, but in my opinion, some of the coolest falls, because you can literally be standing by the water and look like 50 feet up the river, and you're standing lower than the river. It's literally one of my favorite places to hike, and there's a really cool 6-mile loop around this that leads out to the river. What do you think, Tiny?
Looks pretty nice.
He really did not want to come hiking with me, but he was an unwilling participant. What I love about this spot is it's so accessible. Literally within a quarter mile of the parking lot, you can be right on the edge of this gorgeous, gorgeous area. Well, that's really going to wrap it up. Just a little quick stop off to show you one of my favorite spots.